This past summer at Vecna, I was tasked with making an application that would help the technicians and engineers in the hydraulics lab. My job was to make an interface or GUI that would help the technicians interact with the robots. Right now, the interface they're using is a terminal interface, much like a software programmer would have. This is a slow interface for much of the work that they do, and it also requires a steep learning curve. What the technicians really need is a simple interface that has buttons, graphs, things they can see and understand very, very quickly, and helps them to be more productive and safer. In the hydraulics lab, you'll see lots of robots, different test setups, etc. And in each one of these, the technician has to actuate the robot and then record information from all the sensors. I've made the GUI such that they can interact with the GUI and control the robot and get all the readings. So let's take a look at this GUI. The GUI allows you to see the real-time readings from the sensors as you actuate different actuators in the robot. You can also find integrated options. So for each port, for example, on the board, you'll have a different sensor type, and you can add specific options, and then later you can go and print out all those options or save them as a CSV file. Additionally, you can record all the data from all your testing, so that way you can run further analysis in the future. One future goal of this GUI is to do endurance testing. So all the data is present and ready really for closed feedback loop control for different sine wave patterns and ramp patterns and other different patterns that will be very, very useful for endurance testing for the lab. For those interested in the software, the main application was coded in Python. The GUI was made with TK and matplotlib, and then I wrapped a C library to do the CAN protocol communications. The actual application was pretty sophisticated. There was, of course, an observer pattern for the GUI, but there was also a factory pattern in that I actually built the send and receive commands and statuses at runtime.